Want to start a raw hair business with no inventory? In this free step-by-step course, I'll show you exactly how to build, brand, market, and launch your Shopify hair business from scratch. And before we get started, if you want to skip the hardest part of starting a hair business, I created pre-built Shopify hair stores that are already designed for you. They pretty much come with a professional looking website, products, and branding, and a setup that helps you launch fast instead of spending weeks trying to figure everything out. Click the link in the bio if you're ready for your ready-made hair business. You can customize and start building today. Step 1 is to pick your hair business name. So choose a brand name that feels premium and make sure it's easy to remember. And you can also look up Pinterest for luxury branding boards. And then you can also go to Pinterest for like ideas. And you can also get a free logo from Canva. You can just pretty much type in hair logo and see which one will fit your brand. And if you needed help coming up with a business name, definitely check out Shopify Name Business Generator. You pretty much will put like a name in the box and then click generate or whatever niche you would pretty much be in. And then Shopify Name Generator will pick a name for you and give you so many ideas. Step 2 will be to check social media and trademark. Not saying you have to trademark your business, but you will want to check just to see if it's even available. So there's a website right here where you can check to see if the name is even taken, and also be sure to check all social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, just to be sure that the business name is available. Step 3 will be to create your business email and your brand identity. So pretty much be sure your business name matches your business email. And for a full branding kit, you can go to Canva and type in branding kit. It pretty much helps you overall brand your business. If you were to look at my business, Angels Who Hustle, I try to stick with black, pink, and green. That's my branding colors, and the same text as well when I make these type of videos. So be sure you do that the same. Step 4 will be to build your Shopify hair website. Of course, use Shopify. It's going to have the best plugins for you. You can even drag and drop and build your own website. Step 5 will be to find raw hair vendors. Now you can find them on Alibaba, and you can also find them on Instagram. Just type in raw hair bundles or whatever type of hair that you're looking for. And you can even find custom packaging as well on Alibaba. And some of these vendors will even brand your hair boxes and hair by themselves, like they'll ship it to your customer like that. Another vendor you can use is AliExpress, which is DSER. It's pretty simple to connect them. Well, not simple, but if you need someone else other than Alibaba, I recommend this vendor. You pretty much type in DSERS on the Shopify App Store and they sync pretty easily. The next step will be branding and marketing strategy. Of course, posting, the bundles are cool, but if you post like lifestyle or the actual hair moving like this is a great way to promote it. The next step will be to launch your business. After you build up the hype, collect them emails, friend, it's going to be time to launch. If you don't promote your business, you will not make sales, okay? So be sure to promote that business. I'm talking lifestyle, photos, pictures, videos. Using the vendor photos is okay, but when it comes to like social media content, you want to make sure you're like advertising your hair and the benefits of the hair. So I do hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know down in the comments. Any questions, concerns, and the pre-built hair stores will also be linked down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.